Hi, my name is Andre Ng from House of Knives, and today I'm going to talk about a lot of great portable sharpeners that you can take out in the field with you, whether you're hunting, camping, fishing, or just hiking. So we're going to start by talking about a lot of diamond abrasives. And diamonds are very popular for the simple reason they are the most efficient abrasive you can use for any of your cutlery. So in this case here, we've got this great pocket one, and you see a lot of this trend now happening in diamond sharpeners where it has the interdigit pads on here. And the design of that allows you to sharpen your knives without clogging the stone, because one of the things, whether you're using diamonds or natural stones or synthetic stones, is you don't want the stone to clog. So as you're utilizing it, you keep your proper angle and you just run it along the knife here, and basically you can use these dry primarily, and there's no reason why you can't use them wet as well. It won't do any harm. But the real versatility of these sharpeners is this particular one comes in a 300 and 600 grit. So the finer is for your finer finishing of your edges, and the coarser one being good for your damaged or dull knives. But you'll notice on this one here, it's got a groove down the sharpener on both sides here. And what that allows and facilitates is sharpening of any fishing hooks is ideal for the fishing tackle box, or even drill bits or any needles of that nature. You just run it down the hole and it will sharpen it. And then this one also has a little solid pad. Sometimes people want something for their small chisels or any tools like that. So this is a very handy one. Just pops right back in, can go into your lanyard or into your tackle box. From there we graduate to a very compact one, which is designed to just go in your keychain. And this is a 600 grit diamond mesh, and again it's got the interdigit pads on there, and you just utilize that as just a pocket sharpener for your knives. And again, you know, if you sharpen your knives, you do it on both sides. And it folds up very compact. But without doubt, the most popular one out in the marketplace would be this pen sharpener, and this is basically a 3-in-1 sharpener. And the great thing with this little pen sharpener is it's very compact. It can go right into your shirt pocket, into a tackle box. Again, the abrasive is diamond. It's a 600 grit diamond mesh, and here you've got a flat side here for sharpening your straight edge knives. Turn it over, and again you've got that great groove, and what that groove allows you to do, again, sharpening fish hooks, drill bits, anything with a fine point. Then the other great versatility of this is it's the only sharpener out of the bunch on the table here that will actually sharpen your serrated knives. And a lot of people get intimidated about a serrated edge, but when you think about it, a serrated knife is not much different than sharpening a chainsaw, where if you look on the edge of this knife here, it's only been sharpened on the one side. There's no edge here on the back side. So if you had very large serrations, this one here, I would say the radius of this is almost too large for sharpening into the inner teeth of what we call the scallop. So what you would then do is simply loosen the top here. The whole rod comes right out. And from there, then we go to very basic, and this is what we call basically a dummy-proof sharpener. It's very lightweight, it's got rubberized feet so it won't slip on the table. It consists of a coarse and a fine stage, the coarse being made up of carbide. So carbide is by far the most aggressive material you can use. Designed only for plain edges, I would just hold my knife straight and draw it through. And basically the carbide, being as hard as it is, will strip and create that approximately 20-degree angle on your knife. And when it comes to finishing the knife, you just simply flip it over, and the white rods inside are your ceramic, just for homing and finishing. I hope this has been helpful today. Thanks for watching.